In the cosmic expanse of the Hindu galaxy, the Dark Lord Ravana, with his formidable army of Rakshasas, launched a devastating attack, seeking to conquer and destroy all that was sacred. The people, armed with the ancient wisdom of the Vedas, united against the common enemy. Led by the wise and courageous Rishi Vasishtha, they invoked the mighty power of Lord Vishnu, the protector of the universe. As the divine energy coursed through their veins, they transformed into powerful warriors, ready to face the Dark Lord and his minions. The fate of the Hindu galaxy hung in the balance. The war between the forces of light and darkness raged across the galaxy, with Lord Vishnu leading the charge against Ravana's army. The skies were filled with the thunder of Lord Indra's lightning bolts, while the earth trembled beneath the feet of Lord Shiva's mighty dance. Goddess Lakshmi's radiant energy shielded the warriors, as Lord Brahma's creative power brought forth new weapons and strategies. Ravana, with his advanced technology and dark magic, put up a fierce resistance, but the combined might of the Hindu gods and their warriors proved too great to overcome. Lord Vishnu's cosmic disc, the Sudarshana Chakra, sliced through Ravana's defenses, while Lord Krishna's divine chariot, the Rathayatra, led the charge against the Dark Lord's stronghold. As the battle reached its climax, Ravana unleashed his ultimate weapon, a massive, planet-destroying missile. But Lord Ganesha, with his quick wit and cunning, outsmarted the missile's AI, turning it back against Ravana's own army. The Dark Lord's defeat was imminent. In a final, desperate bid, Ravana challenged Lord Vishnu to a duel. The two enemies clashed in a spectacular display of cosmic energy, their powers locked in a struggle that shook the very fabric of space and time. In the end, Lord Vishnu emerged victorious, striking down Ravana with a blast of divine energy. The galaxy was saved, and the people rejoiced at their liberation from the Dark Lord's tyranny. The Hindu gods had saved the day, their legend forever etched in the annals of cosmic history.